Okay, this is John on the free video tonight. I just want to kind of review today's action. I've got some questions today just on today's action. I've been covering the ticks on the free video, so let's take a look this time at the combo wave on the 987 tick chart. And, you know, the markets rallied strong early in the session. In fact, we got to this 1155 level pretty early. And you guys know that, you know, 1150 is the key level here. So we got up here, we had a little spurt of short covering, you know, based on stops of people who were short. And then, okay, so then what happens? And so this is really where it's really helpful to kind of watch, obviously, the ticks. But, you know, once right here, I mean, once the gray part, the shorter term portion of the wave goes below zero, at that point, now, I don't short on that, okay? This is obviously the market's strong today. I don't want to short. You could, you don't, but I'm just looking for a way to get back in. So on this now, I know to at least take a profit, okay, and just get out. And so now I just kind of sit there and wait. Ah, squeeze, great. So when I see a squeeze like this, is this a good reason to get in? Yes, okay, so you can accumulate a position, great, you know, you come back up. This doesn't work out so well, all right? Now a short squeeze happens here. Do I take that? No, even though it would have worked. It actually would have been a great trade. I just kind of was waiting for trades in the direction. Here's a long squeeze that's set up here, take it, and this kind of fizzled out. I mean, I'm taking a little bit of it and then getting stopped out. So this was, you know, it was kind of a lame squeeze. But here, okay, so you can see right here at this point, okay, when this is, you know, below zero, and during the whole time this is below zero, you're going to be kind of choppy to the downside, and sure, you could take this, something like this, and because right here it looks like this could cross over, so sure, you're going to take it, because if it crossed over, then you're going to get this hell of a move here. So here there's not a squeeze, but once this crosses over, okay, so once this goes back up, that's actually a long signal in and of itself, even if there's not a squeeze. So you can actually start accumulating, put in your stop, and then managing it just based on the underlying action in the waves, okay? And you're just kind of cruising along. And on something like this, what I'll do, if there is a previous high on the day, great. You know, I can take some profits there and then just move my stop to break even, all right? Now, in this case, we actually did come back down, and we almost got, because I remember I was watching this, and it almost got stopped, and it didn't, but I thought it was going to get stopped. It was close. Then we got, this is kind of an interesting, then we saw this, and I was like, okay, great. You know, now I thought at this point we're definitely moving higher, because I was getting ready to, you know, and this is like real time. You don't know exactly what's going to happen next. So I saw this, I was like, okay, you know, I want to get rid of this, but then I saw the squeeze forming. Let's see if it fires long. It did, and then we come down and I get stopped. Okay, so I made money on the first half, got stopped out at break even on the second half, and that's just trading. I mean, you know, there's no filter. You don't want to go back and change or anything like this. And then here's another squeeze. Same thing. Is it firing to the long side? Yes. It looks like this is going to cross higher. Great. Let's get into that one. And boom, that was kind of the money trade where you got a nice trend into the close. And this is the best thing when you're a trader. I mean, this is really what you want to see. So you get a full position here, and it's great. You know, you're cruising right along. Take a little bit off here. Get your stop to break even, and what happens? You see another squeeze, and it just keeps on going. And you just keep managing your position this way, and this time it just closed it out, you know, when we closed. So it was kind of it was one of those days. It wasn't the fantastic trend days that we've been seeing, but there was plenty of opportunity here just to kind of pick your battles. And then when you combine this with the actual ticks, it actually is a little bit cleaner and a little bit easier that way as well. Okay, so we've got two big webinars coming up. We've got the one in 2 weeks with Hubert and I. That's like October 19th, 20, whatever that is, 19th, 18th, 19th, 20th, I think. That's in 2 weeks. And then next week, we've got Rob. He's coming down to Austin, and he is going to be doing one on Wednesday and Thursday, October 12th and October 13th. And he'll be doing it here at the Austin office, and it's just a 2-day class on how to become a more consistent small lot trader. This is a little bit cut off here. You can see it right there. And so this is for those of you that have not seen Rob's style. Letting him just kind of look at his he does it from 1 to 10 contracts as kind of the average, and you'll get an opportunity to kind of come in for free, kind of watch him, see if you like it. If you like it, great, and if you don't like it, that's fine too. You can always learn something from it. But that'll be going on Wednesday and Thursday of next week, and you know, as always, Rob is has engaging discussions throughout the day on what he's doing and what he's looking at. And it's worth taking a look at, so you can just kind of watch and see how he's handling his current market situation. All right, you guys have great trading, and we'll see you at the next update.